how to create Shopify banner. All you need to do is log on to canva.com. That's the website of interest. Once you've logged in, head over to the templates menu and then use the search icon here to simply search for Shopify banner. You're going to be met with a list of banners you could actually make use of for your Shopify store. Now, all you need to do here is just scroll through till you find something that suits your narrative or basically what your business is about or the discount you're looking to make. Now, I'm going to go with this option here. So go ahead and click on it and then click on customize. Now, please take note of the size here. The size is shown here. So just go ahead and click on customize this template and then you'll be able to edit it. But let's say you want to create yours from scratch. Just go ahead and click on create first, head over to custom size, and then go ahead and enter your custom width as well as the custom height, and then click on create new design. It's going to open up in a blank sheet, and then you can now begin to add your pictures, your bodies of text, and other things. But I'm going to just be editing this as easy as possible by just simply editing some of the digits here and just making it my own. And then you can also change the color schemes for most of them by just simply highlighting the colors and then changing the text color into something that suits your brand or your business or what you're looking to achieve. All right. And once you're done, click on share at the top right, click on download, make sure your file type is PNG, and then simply download it and upload it to your Shopify store banner.